I ate 2 bananas every day for a month, and this was the powerful effect it had on my body. Bananas are delicious and packed with nutrients our bodies need. Did you? The more dark patches a banana appears to have, the more ripe it is, and the more TNF it contains. TNF stands for tumor necrosis factor, and it's a cancer-fighting substance that helps fight against abnormal cells in our bodies. Specifically, TNF helps to assist communication between cells in our immune response system, and it guides the movement of cells towards areas in our bodies which are inflamed or infected. Research has confirmed that the TNF found in ripe bananas interferes with tumor cells' growth and inhibits them from spreading by causing cell death, or apoptosis. This, in conjunction with the high levels of antioxidants which are also found in bananas, boosts our immune systems and can increase our white blood cells as well. The next time you see a banana with brown spots, don't pass it over. Instead, eat it up and give your body a mini health boost and some extra energy. In addition to the brown spots and their immune system strengthening qualities, bananas have a number of other health benefits. 1. Heartburn. Bananas are nature's antacid and can provide relief from heartburn and acid reflux. Eating just 1 banana can immediately bring soothing relief and lessen your heartburn symptoms. 2. Blood pressure. Bananas help to lower blood pressure and protect against stroke or heart attack because they are low in sodium and high in potassium, making them a heart-healthy food. 3. Energy. Eating a banana or 2 before a workout gives you enough energy to last an hour or more. The low glycemic carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals all support your body increase endurance, while potassium helps to prevent muscle cramps. 4. Anemia. They can help those with anemia by providing much-needed dietary iron, which stimulates red blood cell and hemoglobin production and strengthens the blood supply. 5. Ulcers. When you suffer from stomach ulcers, many foods are off limits, but bananas can be eaten without having to worry about whether or not they'll cause pain. That's because their smooth, soft, mushy texture coats the stomach lining and protects it against corrosive acids and irritation. 6. Depression. They can help overcome depression because they have high levels of tryptophan, which our bodies convert into serotonin. Serotonin is a brain neurotransmitter that makes people relax, feel happy, and improves mood. Thus, bananas can help people feel better and beat depression. 7. Constipation. If you are clogged up, eat a few bananas. They have enough fiber in them to stimulate regular bowel movements and provide natural relief for constipation. 8. Nerves or PMS. When you're feeling moody and stressed, eat a banana. They help to regulate blood sugar and are rich in B vitamins, which naturally calm the nervous system and make people relax, resulting in an overall improved mood. 9. Temperature control. Eating a banana on a hot day can cool you off by lowering your body temperature. The same is true for if you have a fever. And when you're done eating the banana, there are many uses for the peel as well. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.